You are the most important person in your life. So guess what? Nobody else is more important than you are. And you are no good to anybody if you don't take care of yourself. How y'all folks out here taking care of everybody else and making sure that everybody else is good, but you ain't seeing about you? Make it make sense, boo. Because it don't make sense to me. What's up, everybody? This is Tell the Truth with Tisha. Can I keep it real with y'all for a minute? Today's word of the day is peace. I am looking for peace. Peace. Everything around me has to be peaceful, right? We live in a chaotic world where we have to deal with bills, finances, working at a job that we don't like, family members, children, school, every freaking day life. And sometimes you just want some peace, some understanding, some clarity, some privacy, as people call it, privacy. I don't know who say that, maybe them bougie folks in the back, but I'm looking for some peace in my life. That's the goal. At this tender age of 40, I'm looking to have peace within my life. I don't know who in the back needs to hear that again, but I'm looking for peace. If I can get anybody to say amen that's also looking for peace, go ahead and drop it in the comments down below. But peace is the goal. Kind of like this piece of hair right here that's sticking up. I just ain't putting no kind of edge control on here. I'm just out here all raw, naked, looking any kind of way. But it's okay because this is Tell the Truth. And I got to be authentically me and who I am. Y'all ain't finna get no glammed up lip gloss. Maybe. Eyelashes is only on here because I just celebrated my anniversary and they holding on. Okay? But peace. I'm looking for sweet peace in my life. How do you achieve peace, right? So some things that you can do to achieve peace are go for a walk. Get away from everybody. Tell folks you got to go and go do you. Go be by yourself. That means walking in nature. Going to the gym to exercise. Go into the sauna. A sauna is very peaceful. Clears out all impurities in your body. It helps to rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Go do that. Go shopping. I like to spend money. This won't have none. So, anywho, go shopping. Go spend some money. Go do some retail therapy. Go get your fingernails done. I ain't had mine done since last year because I had a baby. So, it was either fingernails or diapers. And guess which one I chose? The diapers. Cook something. Drink some wine. Drink some water. Do some meal prepping. Something that creates sweet peace for you. Pick up a book and read it. Listen to some music. Do something that is going to create some type of peace in your life. Guess what the number one thing is, though? Get them negative ass people up out your life. Tell them folk bye. See, what? If you don't bring me peace, you can't be in my life. I can't deal with you never, no more, ever. Because I need sweet peace in my life. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Sweet peace, okay? God dog it, this little piece of hair just keeps sticking up. You don't create peace for me in my life, you cut off. I have zero problems cutting somebody off. Thank you for your services. They are no longer needed. If you don't bring me peace in my life, you cannot be around me. I'm sorry, I can't have it. So let's go back over this again. How do you create peace in your life? Do something that is beneficial to you and your health, your mental, your mind, your body, your soul, your spirit. Things that bring you nothing but negativity, you got to let it go. Them kids getting on your last nerves, you got to let them go. I can't say that. Just leave them where they are for that particular moment and you step away for a second and go get your mind right and then come back, you know. It would be, pretty cool to you can't do that. You are the creator of your peace. You are the creator of your destiny. You are the creator of everything that you want in your life with the help of the creator. But you got to ask for help first, right? So if you want to get peace, create that peace for you, right? Do things that are necessary for you to find that peace within. Because you deserve it. Okay? You deserve to have sweet peace in your life. That is my goal. That is the desire for me to obtain sweet peace in my life. And I create that every single day. Guess how I do that, though? I literally take myself to the gym. That is my peaceful me time to get away and to just release all of the frustration of the day, of the week, of whatever life has presented itself to me that I feel ruffled or I feel some type of way about up in my spirit. See, I don't like feeling like that. So I have to do things that help me to create a peaceful atmosphere for myself. So you can find me in the gym. getting my workout on, losing a little bit of weight. Yeah, no. Anyways, do something that is beneficial for you and your health, because it's all about your mental. Remember this, if you don't take anything from me. You are the most important person in your life. So guess what? Nobody else is more important than you are. And you are no good to anybody if you don't take care of yourself. How y'all folks out here taking care of everybody else and making sure that everybody else is good, but you ain't seeing about you? Make it make sense, boo. Because it don't make sense to me. So please do whatever it is that you need to do to create peace in your life. Whatever that looks like for you. Take some tips of what I said to make it make sense for you and be good for you and to you, and apply that to your life daily. I don't care what the situation is. I'm going to have me some peace. Sweet peace at that. All right, y'all. And don't forget to smile at somebody, because you never know if your smile is a thing that person may need to help them get through their day. Yeah, so smile at somebody, and I love y'all to life. This is Tell the Truth with Tisha. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. That was so corny.